Sir, nung tini je Facebook post khaimani kaisa nung khoroksa titi edition elected edition mongo je post khaimani al jaga neglect khaijaga ham hairi se khaimani odisha tamni bagai nung o post khaina langa sir
Kulumkar uddesho je angsimani bono titi edisi ni elected MDC hnai samania fiaba sarahayung gedalino saimano tini sarahayung ni je International Day for World Indigenous Peoples Day ni celebration in order to honor the midwives tarmane u je parao age bui serai banani somoyo je asubana yogno amno no midwives ga amni cruises ka hangkai je health workers ro tabu nurse panungka jes panungka women representation is very important hangka tabu jeng indigenous day hangkai bomno indigenous hunjak culture by je krungjak firstly environment by je tongnai rokno tai sini culture dressed by sini household items material culture sini folklore folk tales sini kok samani seinai kereng masanai kereng folk dancers folk singers all this comprises of indigenous lifestyle and nature fiaba dini ang nungmani nga ko omahaisi o jagao je Rajeshwar Debroma ni je convener shibo am haikai honor khaijamaro bunuglia fiaba omo kaisa titi edc by sponsor khaijak program nei ang khnawo hanka omo to byaktigoto ni whimsical idea by khainya indigenous community saboba tini o jaga sengtam nukha only elected representative rogno boro bisilbak ajaga importance ri tangi thang fiaba society consists of writers journalists filmmakers indigenous singer indigenous dancer wa kereng sei kereng ritaknai kereng e am herongno bu honor nani tongmani nukha kisa masa root show je jasu independence devo staging the independence do we nai kaisa koisu dance khaima bai okha so om high lifestyle jodi follow khai nga kai the real celebration of indigenous day om meaningless ngai thang om hai salo jeng bai ka khailai ka chaimang khamo ani wana mani gang ka om hai se nini age jeng tsf khaipuro ongthang ba je kuno movement khaimon ongthang jeng অনেক বড় রোগ সংকটালজা ফিয়াবা দিস টাইম ও জাগাও বাহিকা খাইকা ইন শর্ট স্প্যান অফ টাইম আমো হটস্পটস কা খাইজাগিনাই আমো নই থাঙ্কা ফিয়াবা ও জাগাও নুগিয়া যে খরকসা সৈক্রং খরকসা রসামনাই ক্রং বা খরকসা স্কলার রাইটার আম হাইরগ্ন যে অনার ইমানি বুনুক জায়গা পারানি তুবুইনাই যে কাইসে মিউজিশিয়ান বা যে মিউজিক্যাল ইনস্ট্রুমেন্ট অফ প্র্যাকটিস খাই তংনাই am hairono bu onari mani nukjagya tai o jagao je midwives ni je khaimani a concept amro no bu debate khaya lama himlai hai masalai nai sorkani rang lakh spend khaima bai tongya ko om hairono no public ta younger generation boys witi sanana nai je kuno society jodi si academicians tai artists tai filmmakers tai handicraft experts tai om hairono jeng dia hangkai the whole concept of indigenous community no nung celebrate khaimani ta meaning khaba amni saibu tongo je traditional healer ro osai khai tongnai ro motai khainai kreng ro om hairo ke salainai chungba chungsa khainai asuk lakh rang taka khorcha khaimani baiba kaisa publication kaisa production am hairo khaimano phiaba tini amni bisingo butongo je tabuk to society change ni thangka social media ni ju o jagao kok borok tai vernacular language tai indigenous language no tui media tui activism khai tongai tong including noro hai media rong bu tini khoroksa media je jati no tui indigenous issues no tui nai media activist rong no khoroksa no pan 5 taka ni kolom da reja gya nge sabni bagi tini o program khaika sabno ba khak bo am tuingkha ajaga wo ang sunil koloi ajaga manjanani amani kogya Sung we are indigenous activists. Nogo tongi bu sung every day sung we are involved with the environment. indigenous activism, documentation, writing by chang among itong. Piaba, as a symbolic representation, nang job je zaga nang, mana government fund by bu nang politicians rong nang honor kaika, ba nang politicians rong no azaga rihin ka, nang society ba sudu one pillar of democracy by nyabla. Society wo democracy wo tongo 4 to 5 pillars of democracy. And fifth pillar of democracy ngaka people's ni voice ni je movement. Omro buchi ni rights tong. Ngaka o jaga wo na sanamu su tabo je organize khainai. Jahotu honorable MDC Rajesh o jaga wo na sanamu su tabo je organize khainai. Jahotu honorable MDC Rajeshwar bo o jaga khaika ba a jaga wo bono ang masaka haise. Ngaka omo boje khaimani omo je jotono include khaya barin khaya amo jodi mistake ka next time correct ma khainai but om haika just defensive ha jotono call khaika aku kha defensive mechanism by ingya serai joto lukurok nogoi tongo serai khnai rok nogoi tongo o jagao tini o jagao bom hai bororok participate khai tai bom hai bororok exclude ngi tong khoroksa other than politicians nor a jaga daisitru nukha doctor phan ngi mang khamo engineer phan ngi mang khamo kaisa film director tap sorodiang songai phan ngi mang khamo media professional jopang mang khamo chini bisingo si tongo social activist internationally renowned dara Anthony songhai ro borno phan sumugi mang khamo phiawan nugia just because you are elected does not mean that you become the whole custodians of the indigenous community ko om hairong no sung voice might khlai lainai in the days to come sanga ma salainai organizing committee busuk TTRC ni fan nakha sung amrong no busung jasai khai ma lainai angka ke jodi si omo TTRC ni program kai omo to officer rok se committee khai nai borok invite khai nangmani khamo phiabo o jagao elected members rok se borok committee khai tongkha angka nor civil society sin thuturi ma khamo cultural activists rong no encourage khai ma khamo but bipag jagao no nang politicians elected member rong khai kai what is the meaning of the state missionaries alka je exist khaimani am kuno meaning kare society cannot be governed only with one section of people o jagao joto section ni population ni contribution by se society ran nai ke je society nini intellectual rokno borom ria nini sikreng rokno borom ria nini resabnai kreng rokno borom ria nini journalist rokno borom ria nini kucu rengsireng nogo phrungnai rokno nang borom ria tai nini ajagao para tonginai je wanai kreng nok tangnai kreng borno sinung borom ria hangkai nang ajagao indigenous community ni je World Indigenous Peoples Day celebrate khainai amoni ortho tamungkha mo o jagao haini elected members ro wari khailai nai mang borong mang akrani borong no glorify khaina bagi to World Indigenous niya World Indigenous Day speaks to our culture folklores folk tales chini is a traditional medicine healing dai chini chamung nungbai gadalja amai khaimang kang kasi seung ngai plus grassroots participation dangnai or to grassroots participation dung dia neng om hairo ko sabuba yes borok society ni chiefs dong no call khaika well and good but along with that neng real issues no ber khaina ba kaisa songgothon kotorma tongi tong o jagao tripura ki civil society komungkha social media o horsana horo saka kana 100 200 300 borok je different unique change maker society ni je indigenous activist borno to sung tubi mano romors namnai kereng ritak nai kereng kisib wanai kereng dula wanai kereng tai tamo nangu cokam wanai kereng tupi wanai kereng wani am hairon musung tubi mamle because that is what is indigenous knowledge guiding tangnai kereng om hairong no tini om hairogo salai ka ngangkasi new education policy was even academic syllabus je chini tangmung chini chamung chini songmung chini rechabmung omaga khaika angkasi flourish nai but ajaga nang sai ka politician mane joto MDCs EM MLS invited all are invited am hai bai abla karon nung kaisa responsibility convener manjak nini responsibility cost khainai joto section ni society no the best of the best no tuinai srungnani si o knowledge gap ni no gap nuginai ang nijik masai ka omo je sabno bo nung exclude khlai sabno bo nung include khlai okay tabuk to ojo media journalist rogno azak saya nungya khainai rang maya khainai sorkani beton bumaya mas pension bumaya tubu phanasi blogs run khayo YouTube page run khainai jatini mane indigenous lifestyle tai culture no promote khai tong ka odino chung asrai rong no kisapana chung khai meya tai what is the level of school level ni students tai gen zero ni participation tini nukha I don't know it's quite doubtful ka o jaga wo haina kaisa section of the bini generation ni borok bai a circle ni tonglai pereng ma bai to amo unani kobia Piaba ang je ang wansong mani je ang simani je pori mani simani no tui nai siring tongi malia. Tamani himalat situtui nuktutui siring tong kang hangkai omo bukai sapa. Naka ang je ok kubui kok samani no je sa jagi ang nai pan tong hangkai amane bui omo bukai sapa. Naka ang je ok kubui kok samani no je sa jagi ang nai pan tong hangkai amane bui ni beparangka. Piaba sing sini culture no sini community no di sana nih enggak gelap kaisa no kagui kaisa no akui omoto ingka neng entry dewer mah borok as internationally to tong hangkai bono kaisa kok sana nih just bo elected members ya neng bono hangkai neng ringan ni muito krika do so to belai junia belai tola ni borok jeng academician panangka jes panangka piaba NIT phrungnai Devdulal Tripura song hai tongo Professor Devdulal Culture no tui nei bo belai active university was tong Professor Mohan song hairo tai senior tong borok hairo no pon nor ringi mang khamo but did they call totally cut off but younger generation tamanai they want to link with the intellectual and the students because youth money to students na kanang oza gawo politicians rong ni makang simi naina ni bagai indigenous community palai kan kai that is a complete failure and we need to change this mindset of je politically centric je program khaimani rok no TTAD sing thung state government thung amno belai chung encourage khaikan kan ka chaya because public fund public ni aro soginang thung public program public organize khainani thung Bibak jaga no politicians hat tari thang haise hayang kangkai baskang ni salo belai kotor movement ngai omo kuno khoroksa ব্যক্তি ni bagi samani ya the whole system of tabani erani or message everywhere hayang kangkai will be going to the dark we need to transform our mind we need to work for development and we need inclusive society a nation grows when every knowledge keeper mane na MA pass BA pass knowledge keeper ya intellectual mane na BA pass MA pass PhD khaijak mane knowledge keeper ya knowledge keeper angka je parao osai khainai je kisi wai tongnai je dol wai tongnai yangkhong wai tongnai violent wai tongnai oma hai rong ni din se tini elected representative rong ni din ya angomo tau sanai ulobu sanai Same face everywhere. Amu saya. Semano je khaimani a borong stage asuksa. Takalai bo amu asuksa amu bu saya. Ketal faces, various themes, knowledge, amu je documentation ro khainani. Indigenous knowledge to spread khainani. Haike je jeng sara world jini knowledge jeng soginani. Phiaba jeng gangkai sapresi khailayo. Am haikele engya. Society is not governed only by politics. Society is also governed by other things. So, public no ang omno sanamu suwo kubui kok sanani takiri di come up and speak for the truth. Karon sing kubui kok sawinai sing regret nani kok ya. Piaba society no si sing contribute kainani nangnai. Buyam siapa nang kena hotabo bofana saja yang imana ba bini koizana saputra pan saja yang imana tam okosaka Sajak mani sajak yani amke emotional ni bepa. But je dud no dud ma hanai je hanggarno hanggarma hanai keprabno keprabma hanai ketuino ketuima hanai amo ang samani karon bu sudo ani voice ya. I said this is the voice of millions of people. Joto Tripurani public no omai feeling itongka. Our society is tamon borok bubagrani mungno siminana lainai bubagrani okono simina lainai bono oko khaika hai khaika tai alka kogu tongo pheba amrongno sana thanya ang but bubagra tam naiba bubagra hai leader to tong Tripura raijo ba sara bharoto je genang gerei henia bigra khangal amai henia joto level bai si tong tong eke tini bubagra si para thangainai masaya manungya joto community tongman gangkai neng convener maybe you are elected member neng ka busuk jani ingka ba je Agartala centric nai only certain group of people centric khainai neng sauna bari hin sauna bari nyangka omno hli mana nbo je angkhor maya ne angkhor mana nanya social media nugito phiaba representation on the stage of je numane a program amo taisa naithogri khlaimang khamo जों हायरनो साका खांखाय जों contribute खायमान phiaba nung le tang ni bagi among kamnang si yang khaba boroni organizing committee ni bisingo no boroni bisingo kokbang lai tong nang please public fund by sorkani rang by om haikai mismanage ta khaini hayang kangkai we will be bound to ask you the expenditure for pie to pie o programo busugrang sanction sorkani mangkha da mayaba biangni collection khaika busuk amo khorja thangka omjuk sawina ang tini jotto lukuni takuk tai bukuk rongno hambaya farei ani kok orno mothageri kha